How to fix Messenger not receiving messages. First, try checking the internet connection. Switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you're still not being able to receive the messages, you might have accidentally blocked that user. Open the Messenger on your device. Simply find the user that you're expecting the message from. If you see this kind of message, tap on the option Unblock. Tap on the option Unblock again. Now once you unblock them, you'll be able to receive the message. Sometimes the message may be stored in the spam. Tap on the menu icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Message Requests. Tap on the option Spam that you can see on the screen. Now if the messages was moved to spam, it will be seen over here. If you're still not being able to receive the message, there might be some problem with the Messenger application. In that case, update it. Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for Messenger. Find the application for Messenger. Tap on the option Update right next to it. Your problem should be fixed. If not, what you can do is try clearing the cache of Messenger. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Messenger and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Once the cache is cleared, your problem should be fixed. You can also try to uninstall the application and install it again. Once you do that, you should be able to receive the messages. These are the common fixes to your problem. Like this, you can fix messages not receiving on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.